Good morning, good morning. Woo, good Monday morning. Marcia, good morning and God bless you. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Rue, what's happening? All right, Suzanne, thanks for thanks for participating in the Discord, guys. Appreciate that. Awesome. Hopefully I'm live and ready to roll here today. Have some people coming online here. Let's do it. Let's do it. Come on aboard.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Awesome. Checking the NQ out here. Running the AI Auto Trader this morning. We came out of the gate just with the flares on.
Order submitted.
We had Steven here just pop up a $750 winner. Just jumped in right here at 9:30. It wobbled a tad there, and then it took off running.
Order submitted.
Okay, come on. Got to get
Order
these
submitted.
get this live going properly here. Had a problem on Friday too. What's going on?
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
All right, is it broadcasting out there for you guys, or is it down in the
submitted.
dumps? I don't see any viewers on here. Had a problem on Friday too. Maybe
Order
I have
filled.
to restart
Order
again.
filled. Order filled.
Okay, good, Robert. We're up and rolling, huh? Okay, great. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I had a problem on Friday, so I wanted to make sure today that I wasn't just talking to thin air here. We've got the Steven strategy I just watched. I was just in the morning meeting, and it started to take off here. We just had a nice run up on the NQ. Looking at a 8 Unarenko chart here, so it looks a lot different than a typical range chart here. But Steven jumped in right here at the cross and took a nice trade. It wobbled for a second, and then it took off flying to the upside. A lot of good movement here right away this morning. Let's check the 30 range out. Yeah, signal C caught right here. Rode that beauty up. Having a nice move on the NQ this morning. Have a nice leaderboard started so far. Got a couple of winners up the profit zone here. We've got the CL Black Gold bot. 2-minute retirement plan, took a nice trade. I've got some ESs, really trying to get a ES strategy that's profitable for us. So I created 4 of them on Saturday, trying to see if we can move the needle in our favor on the ES. So I've got some 15 range. It looked like the best chart that I could get was the 15 range for the ES. So I've got a few strategies here. They're called SIM. That kind of separates them from the portfolio. But looks like I've got a couple of them in a good trade right now. They were down a little bit this morning, but they're coming back. We got the haymaker. Looks like it's breaking even. The signal B. That one starts at about 6 in the morning. Got my live account running this morning. It's just kind of running behind the scenes here.
Order filled.
All right, thank you, Rory. All good here. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Thank you for joining us today. We'll be running the AI Auto Trader here, and we'll try to make some money together if we get some signals to pop in, and Auto Trader will jump in for us. We've got quite a few trades under our belt already this morning. Got a few in the good guy zone here. Got the Steven already crushing it. This one's a wild man, though. Oh, Steven right here. We'll dig into that strategy in a second here. check out my my live account. No trades yet today on the live account. I'm looking at the velocity, so how fast price is moving in a certain time frame, and if it's not moving in a 2-minute candle at least 110 ticks, I'm not even going to trade my live money. It means that I don't think I have a good chance of winning. So I'm not participating unless there's enough action on the table. So that's kind of my strategy. I've been running it for a couple weeks now with the velocity filter engaged 24 hours a day. Kind of show you the results of how it's been doing. Let's see. There it is. Okay, I'm down 180 already. Had one trade. No, I had a few trades. Wow. Okay, this is my live account here. Looks like I took a few trades already this morning. Jumped in a short there. We exited on the candle pattern on that particular one. Lost a couple of ticks on that trade. We took another short. And this time we just took our stop loss. This time we took another short and kind of got faked out here. I break even a lot. So this one is a 30 tick stop loss. And then once it gets up to 30 ticks, I pop the stop up to break even. And then it kind of can float in between there till $750. So that's kind of the strategy. Again, you can take 4 losers, and then you hope you get the one winner, the big daddy. Put you back in the driver's seat. It's been clicking along pretty good. I've made a couple $1,000s over the last couple of days. We've got the ABC bot, Robert. Got that one, the Smart Stop too. It's back alive and well. Thanks again for sharing that back with us.
Submitted.
I took a couple of trades already this morning, so I've got it running. Let me go look at the time. I'll go look at that one real quick.
Order filled.
That was the star of the show last week. Holy moly. Woo. That thing ran up the score big time. Where is it here? ABC bot. So it's down 250. Let's go look at what the settings I have for the times. I think I set it at 8:30. Yeah, 8:30 to 3:30. So kind of changed the window maybe just a tad here to get on the board early. Was 8:30 to 3:30. I think I left everything else the same. Oh, I did. I set the session profit and loss a little bit lower, a more realistic number for us here. So it's gonna follow market structure here. Signal B also and signal C. So should stay in trend. And this is a pretty loose one. It's a $400 risk here. That is $1,600 profit. Let me go back to my faithful calculator here. 240 times 5. No, 1,200.
Order filled.
$1,200 profit. So $400 loss or $1,200 profit. But we got a lot of smart action in on this trade. So the candle pattern, it's checking that out. Steven, good morning. Dr. Wild, good morning. Awesome. Let's try to make some money here today. What are you guys trading out there? Let's see what else is doing good for us. We got black gold coming up the leaderboard. The Haymaker bot still hanging around.
Order filled.
NQ, $1,200. Roo, way to go, man. Woo! Roo making big money. Good shot, Roo.
Order submitted.
NQ made a nice move up right there, Rue. Did you get in on that one? Steven busted out on that one.
Order filled.
All right, good job, Rue. He caught the good
Order
one.
filled.
Today we'll check the oh yeah, I got a the live account, and they've got a sim account called live account.
Order
Wanted
filled.
to share those side by side to show the trades, to make sure that we have confidence that if we set a live account up, our personal brokerage account, which I have right here. This is my NinjaTrader brokerage account. That if I set a sim account up with the same exact settings, that I should get, you know, if not identical, very, very similar results. So I'll show that throughout the day. We'll in fact go back and look at this, the trades that I had here with my live account, and we should be able to see the sim account with those similar trades. Just looking over here, I've got the 2-minute retirement plan. It's up 310, so it had a nice couple of nice trades this morning. 2-minute. Where are they at? So the 2-minute had a nice trade right here at 7 o'clock. Caught a nice short. Exited on overbought or oversold right there. Had a little bit more in the move in the tank, but we took it off there. So we can take a quick look at I'll duplicate the window. I'll put my live account on the left and the sim account on the right, and we should be able to see the same trades take place, both accounts.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Live money. So the sim account is down a little bit more. So that's the difference in ticks, more than likely, when we start to peel back the onion here. The sim account and my live account get in a similar places, but not the exact same price. In fact, right here, my first trade on my live account entered at 219 even, and sim entered at 218 even, so I beat it by 4 ticks. In fact, this was trying to go short, so I got in earlier, 4 ticks earlier than the sim account here.
Filled.
We both exited on this candle pattern. Looks like I beat it on the exit by a tick also. So that was 220.5 on the live account, 220.75. So looks like they got out 1 tick later on that particular trade. The second trade of the day. Looks like sim entered at 226.5. My live account entered at 226.0, so it looks like I beat it by,
Order submitted.
yeah, I beat it by 2 ticks on that trade, on the second trade. And exited, looks like I exited 2 ticks sooner. All right, Rue says we're bullish all over the place on the NQ. Maybe good time to go all longs.
Order submitted.
On the third trade here, looks like sim entered at 245.25, live account entered at 245.0, so looks like 1 tick, and again in this case my live account beat it.
Order filled. Order submitted.
By 1 tick. On the next trade here, looks like we exited 1 tick different as well, so looks like we're beating sim so far this morning into the trades. That can all change. NQ's all bullish, all time frames. Rue's got us all jacked up here, ready to go. Going long, Rue.
Order filled.
So Steven's the star of the show this morning so far. Oh, awesome. We got a NQ8U Signal D. Signal D, new signal we're working on there behind the scenes. Had a member give us a call and ask us to do something. He said he's got a strategy that's been working great for him, and so we, Dan, thank you. Dan asked us if we would take a look at it, and we've now programmed it into the software here, Signal D. What it is basically when you get your candle and just the wick gets into what we call the slow line here, this 50 EMA. When it pulls away, we take a long trade on Signal D. So Signal D is really kind of meant for a quick little burst. Trying to get a strategy that gets you about $200 or $300 a day consistently. So we're seeing that one really start to show up here. It's brand new, about a week or two old here. Another one. So I just put a couple of the different, we call them ATMs, different stop loss and targets out there to see if we can find a sweet spot. Let's take a look at that chart. 8U is a pretty cool chart to look at.
Order filled.
So it's the NQ8U.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Going long. The blue is our target.
Order filled.
Pink's the stop loss. This is our actual value of how much money's on the line right now. This strategy has a 30 tick stop loss, so it's a $150 loss. And it's got a 60 tick target, so it's a $300 winner. This one's a 2-to-1. Risk to reward. Coming down hard through the 250. Boom. Getting a lot of resistance right up in that range. 260s, a lot of resistance.
Order submitted.
Wow. Bouncing off 260 here on the NQ. Look at this one, bounced off the 230s,
Order
260s.
filled.
Waiting for the breakout, Rue. Here it comes.
Order submitted.
So Signal D jumped in again here. Getting a lot of opportunities. I don't have any, we don't have any bones behind it yet, so we don't have any filters. It's really just looking
Order
at,
filled.
just
Order
at
filled.
that tail. Yeah, when we put the filters in, we'll be able to protect it from taking that trade into the pivots. All right, got 880. Woo! Rue's up to $2,000. Congratulations, Rue. Nice move.
Order filled.
Take a quick look at a ES chart here.
Order submitted.
Okay, so this is the ES. ES 6 Unirenko. Signal C.
Order submitted.
Jumped in right here for the long entry. Kind of bouncing right now. It's $225. This ES chart. It's $12.50 a tick here.
Order submitted.
That's a big one. ES is kind of like a Mack truck here. It's slow but
Order
powerful.
filled.
Super powerful.
Order filled.
Let's take a look at the 2-minute retirement plans trade it had this morning. Been a hot strategy right here. So this one caught that trade short here at about 7:04 this morning.
Order filled.
Ran it down nicely. Got into overbought, oversold pretty quick though. Take that out of there. I don't think that's a... Hate that we gave up on it so soon. A beautiful trade. Wow. Could have been a full winner there, it looks like. Whew.
Order filled.
288 ticks. Trading one contract. 288 times $5. $1,440 move right there, trading one contract. Wow. That's a big move. My live account's waiting for a big move on a 2-minute candle, so it's not going to trade for a little while until we can get a 110 tick move again. So we had one this morning, I think, probably right here. Yeah. So that candle right there is 178 ticks. So more than likely, even a couple of these other ones are 110 tick moves. Yeah, right here. This one's yeah, that one's like 135. So we were able to trade here for a little bit, but now it's probably slowing down here. Got to get a 110 tick,
Order submitted.
110 tick move in a 2-minute candle. Yeah, that one's
Order
good.
filled.
It's about 110.
Order filled.
Okay, we got a battle for first
Order
place
filled.
going on here today.
Order Order filled. Order filled.
Ooh-wee. Little sell-off going on. Rue, we're going short now. This is the NQ on the left, 30 range. NQ 2 minute on the right. NQ 8U. Okay, NQ8U signal D's all over this one. It's up 745. With commissions, though, it's up 665. The difference that you'll see here is up here on the nameplate on the chart trader, it shows you the value of profit without commissions, profit or loss. Down here, when you start to look down here in the accounts, total P&L, we take out commissions. So each trade, it takes about $8 for a round trip to buy it and sell it. So you lose $8 every transaction you make here. The idea is that you win some big money, though. Having the opportunity to jump in the ring here.
Order submitted.
Signal
Order
D.
filled. Order filled.
This one I have as a 2-to-1 risk to reward. Loss is 30 ticks and win is 60. So we got Steven here battling.
Order submitted.
Take a quick second and roll
Order
this thing
filled.
over. Any trading opportunities that I show you here, either verbally or electronically, are for educational and demonstrational purposes only. Me or my
Order
team won't
filled.
take any responsibility for any trade wins or losses that you might have on your account. If you're new to trading and want to learn how to trade, please research your positions with a financial advisor, a licensed financial advisor, before trading. The signal D jumped in again, going short. This one's almost as exciting as Steven. It's up $700 this morning. So moving the stop, squeezing it down through the software. So once it gets to 30, it moves up to break even. And then once it gets closer to the profit target, we squeeze it down into the profit target window. And so now we're in the window here. And it's a winner. So just how much?
Order filled.
It's up $800. It's my first day running this one. Just built it over the weekend, brand new. Charles really loves Signal D. He's begging to get it up and running. He's really hopeful that we can Get one that makes 300 or 400 a day consistently. He's counting on this one. He's signal D. He's really optimistic on. He's bullish. He's bullish, and he sees a lot of computers, and he got it from a couple of clients who showed him. So appreciate you guys for sharing your input here, and we're going to share that back with the rest of the community and hopefully be a lot more profitable in the process. So thank you.
Order submitted.
Rue helped us create these ODPs. So the ODPs don't trade much. That's kind of the good and the bad about the ODPs. We have them now looking at the drone, and then the drone is optimizing their time window, so they don't trade very often.
Order submitted.
Signal D jumped in again, going short here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Boom, boom, boom. Like a shotgun going off. So I'm going to go ahead and switch my live account to that one as well. Let's not play fool's game here and watch it go crazy without participating. So I'm gonna go get this guy, and oh geez, what? Oh, I didn't have ABC running. It was running earlier. It was down. It was down. So let's get this one on my live account here. Let me save it. Again, just built it yesterday, so all these I built yesterday. All these signal Ds right here. So I'll get this on my live account real quick here. I'm gonna go edit it and save it. So I'm just gonna go to template, save. I saved one yesterday. No, I didn't. Oof. So I'm gonna go down and grab the name. I grab the name, Control C, template, save. Go save it here, and now I can just go rebuild it because I want to keep running it in the background. And actually, I want to show you the entries of my live account and this account one for one, so that you can see that that they take the trades at the exact same time or close. So I'm going to do new strategy. Go grab that one I just saved. Go to template to load. Go grab it. The one I just saved is right there. So it's all the same settings. Oh wow, small, got it set really small profit target. It's I bet it's done trading for the day. Or it was almost done trading. It made $1,000 a few seconds ago. So all I need to do to get it to my live account is to first of all, make sure it didn't trip up and change the instrument on me. But now I'll just go put my live account on it. My live account is here. So this is a NinjaTrader brokerage account.
Order filled.
And then I go find it. So I'm going to put her to work. I'm going to wait till this trade's over so that we can enter at the same time this one enters. And I want to reset them both at the same time, actually, so they're both 0 again. Once this trade's over, we'll engage both of them at the exact same time.
Order submitted.
So it's these two. They're identical.
Order filled.
Now that I put it on my live account, it's not going to make any money. So we'll let this last one make money here, and then we'll engage it. All right, that thing's a runaway. So here it is. We'll disengage it. Now we'll re-engage both of them. Oh, come on, baby. Come on, Lady Luck. Where are you at? Here we go. All right, so we're live on this one too. So we got a couple accounts on the same live account here. Let's show you. So on my live account, I was trading this Signal A strategy. I was down 180 on that one. And then I just put this other strategy on the same account. So you can have a live account, several strategies running to your live account, taking profit and loss to and from it. So you can have 7, 10, 15 strategies running on one live account or a prop account, same thing. Take a quick break. You guys can keep an eye on this for me. I appreciate it.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Thank you, Robert. Appreciate that. Yeah, took a quick break there. So yeah, I'm back. I checking out the strategy here. Looks like 8U is nice.
Order submitted.
Okay, Signal A jumped in. Signal A going short on my live account. It's not this strategy, it's the other one. So Signal A, we can go check it out.
Order filled.
Going short here, trying to make some money. Here we go, broke even. Chart on the left, up 150. Holding coming back, we're out. Smart stop. Which one was that? So this particular strategy that just traded, it wasn't on this. It was on this one right here, on this chart. So we took off on a took out on a bullish candle.
Order filled.
That was our entry. And the Haymaker drone must not be up and awake yet this morning. The 30 range. Nope. So it's not in its... let me go check that out. Come that one ain't trading. Let's see why that's not trading.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Woo, got a beauty. Okay, this one's the Haymaker 10 o'clock. All right. That was 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. Why didn't that trade?
Order filled.
Ooh. Oh, that's why.
Order submitted.
The velocity filter was a little heavy for that one. It was at 150 instead of 110. I was looking for a little bigger move.
Order submitted.
We'll get her straightened out here.
Order filled.
Whew.
Order submitted.
Come on. Signal A's not performing for me this morning. Here we go. We jumped in on Signal D. Oh, shoot. All right, here we go. Let's see the two entries here. I know it's going to be a little bit confusing with this darn Signal A taking a trade too here, but the unknown one is the Signal D. So it's 160.5, and over here Sim entered at 160 even. So let's see, we're going short. So actually live account beat it in again by 2 ticks. Trying to go short on the trade here, Signal D. Breaking even. Over on the left, live account. Over on the right, a Sim account. A lot of people wonder if a live account takes trades about the same time. The answer is yes. Okay, great. Move down, double dip. We're in money. Made a $100 bill. And you can see Sim didn't move. Sim didn't move yet. That was right on the borderline of moving. I'm surprised that we did move, but there's another example of how these profits can be way different. We just scalped about a $100 bill on the one on the left on the live account. There you go. Sim account just moved. The stop moved down. Ours moved down a little bit quicker because we actually got them in. What was it? 2 ticks quicker.
Order filled.
And then with the same result though. Both took the $100 bill. That's a nice scalping ATM right there.
Order submitted.
Good job, Marcia. All right, Rue, another one. You guys are slaying it. Good for you. You know, I'll have a leaderboard real soon. Real soon. I set the goal. So my team, we had a meeting this morning. We set a goal together to have some challenges where you guys can enter by the end of the month. So where we can all enter, compete against each other, give away some prizes along the process. You know, I'm looking forward to it. I love that. That's part of my style. I love it. I used to work with manufacturing and have to, you know, get teams of people to do stuff. And, you know, I love to motivate and try to, you know, compete and, you know, challenge. So really looking forward to that. So my goal to you guys too is by the end of the month that I'm able to go in the ring with Rue. Me and Rue head to head. I can't wait. He's going to smoke me. But you know what? I'm going to learn a lot in the process. So that's what I look forward to. So that's where we're heading. And it won't be long. It won't be long, which is exciting.
Order filled.
Super exciting for us. All right, Signal D there got weak on me. Take a look at a 2-minute chart here and see what's happening out here. Here's the leaderboard in the process. Looks like our signal D here on the right is the one crushing it so far this morning. It's up 1,200. I put my live account on it a couple of trades ago, and I think we're maybe break even. Signal A, I was running that earlier this morning and lost a couple hundred on it. So we're trying to battle back here. Got Steven. Came out of the gate swinging earlier this morning. Slowed down though. Wonder if it's sleeping. Had a couple of good trades in gold. Black gold, I mean CL. CL had some beauties. The AI Auto Challenge is going to be alive and well someday. See if anybody can jump in the ring with the haymaker. Man against machine. Rue's going to take on the haymaker. I'm going to loosen it right up before we do it too, Rue. Trade 10 contracts too. Big dogs. Woo! Oh boy, look at that beauty. A big frowny face right there. Oh, jumped in here. Caught something. Caught a little shorty. Trying to go short. Got a little bit of a resistance down here at 150. 150.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Okay, this one entered 158.25 on live.
Order
157 on Sims. So Sims, wow, it's quite a bit later on that. No, let me see. Yeah, wow, I got in again quicker on live account. I'm using Continuum, communication, NinjaTrader Continuum. Breaking even.
Order submitted.
Trying to push through a $150 bill here to go to even. Can't get there. 150's holding on the NQ. Oh, going to even. No risk. All right, taking a little bit in. In the profit window.
Order filled.
Scalp it. Giving away 150. $300 bill. Come on, baby. Ooh, Sim went out at the scalp. We'll see. I might too here. See if a couple ticks between friends matters here. Come on, one little drop. One little drop it like it's hot. There we go. All right. Signal D. Might be interested. So that was a pretty big difference in outcomes on a sim and a live there, unfortunately. Fortunately for me, live jumped in 5 ticks quicker. Is that right? Yeah, 158.25. And we're going short. They jumped in at 157 on sim. I'm glad it's that way instead of the other way.
Order submitted.
Get the right chart there. And there it is.
Order filled.
Big flush in the system right there. Ooh.
submitted.
What a mountain. A mountain of profits. Woo! I want more signal D action. Come on. I got signal A too. Black gold's in another trade. It's up 600 on the day. NQ recovered to 150 quickly. That was a quick move. We're going to get signal A entry here soon. Coming back. Going south. Come on. Someone's bullish.
Order filled.
Steven drone. Made 5,289. Still our record. Daily record on
Order
live here.
submitted.
August 2nd. Over 5 grand, one trading session, trading one contract. Steven's up 541 today. It's been quiet though. We have it on a small window. I believe 8:30 to 10:30. Let's go look.
Order submitted.
It's up 500.
Order filled.
Let's peek under the hood
Order
here.
filled.
We keep all the strategy settings open. Jailbreak for you. Got some AI model back here working in the background that you guys can mess with. Right in here. So this one's trading, okay, 9:30 to 11:30, so it's still alive and awake. We got some settings here where you can do your own risk management. You know, how much you can pallet,
Order submitted.
you know, losing or winning for the day.
Order
We're in
filled.
over here. Let's take a closer look. Entered another trade here on signal D this time.
Order
The
filled.
unknown signal. Sergio dialed it up for Dan. Signal D for Dan. Dan, thank you. Valued member of our community. All right, jumped up. We're scalping. We got a little bit of money. Put it in our pocket. Let's roll.
Order filled.
Signal D almost brought me back. Sim's still in on the trade. Let's take a look at entry. So it looks like it's 4 ticks there on that one. In this case, the Sim beat me by 4 ticks.
Order filled.
In this case, I scalped out and it won the full trade, so we're probably back to the same profit. That happened just the opposite on the last trade. $67, yes.
Order submitted.
Big move. Big buyback. They're bullish again, Rue. That was a huge move. Glad we got a little bit of nugget on that one. Nice nugget. Put signal D way up to the top. 1,600 on the
Order
day.
submitted.
Wow, Daniel, that's a stretch. Holy moly. That's way over there. Welcome to Miami Beach. Take that camera and look around a little bit. This is got Miami Beach right out here. So this is Ocean Drive, and then Collins and Lincoln down here in South Beach. I moved down here about 2 years ago. I bought this business and moved down to Miami. I've always wanted to move to Florida, where you grow up, where I grew up in Michigan. When you finally make it and retire, you move to Florida. So I've always had it on my horizon. Never thought I'd go this south, though. My parents landed around Tampa, so that's kind of where I thought I would head, or
Order filled.
Panama City or somewhere up in that area. But the business was down here, so this is where I came. So we got signal D here on the left. Jumped in on this trade. Let's see, why didn't we get in on this one? Might have hit our oh, it was signal A entry, that's why. This one's signal D. Signal A is the haymaker. So this one's a signal A trade coming back. So this is a counter trend trade here. Trying to go for a big one. Breaking even. My stop moved from 30 ticks down to break even so far.
Order filled.
Coming to get me there. I'm down a $100 bill. So here's the leaderboard from today. We all start from 0. So we've got quite a few strategies here, made a little bit of money today. Most of them been trading for about an hour.
Order submitted.
Signal D's going long.
Order filled.
And then signal D and signal A. So both signals entered. Got 2 contracts holding on the left, live account.
Order filled.
Signal D target popped in, made some money. Breaking even on signal A. Here we go, running long. Big trade. Signal D popped in there.
Order
Signal A
filled.
popped in there. Smart stop. Took me out. Up 440.
Order filled.
So on a live account, it shows commissions out already. Woo! Signal D might run away with a record today. Oh no, the ODP. The ODP just came in. Ow! Way to go. Awesome. Just hit the ODP.
Order submitted.
Thank you, Marcia. We're back in again. Hit the ODP though. Let's go unwind that one. So we're both in. Signal D on this one. I thought this was Signal D that made $3,000 already, but no, the 1 day pass. This is Rue. Rue, thank you. Rue talked us into this. Been our lifeblood for the AI Auto Trader. This is the 1 day pass prop trading templates designed here, and Signal A. It was the same trade we entered on the live account, and we can go look at the exact entry. But anyway, Signal A enter here with 10 contracts, and this is our prime time. We have them optimized. Actually, they're being self-optimized by these drones that we've built. So the drones are trading in the background. They're handing the data to a database. The database is handing it back to this strategy. This strategy is putting itself in the best opportunity time. and it jumped in here with a signal A going long with 10 contracts, and it made it the $3,000. Boom. Boom shakalaka. Great trade right there. We'll go look at this entry in my my live account here. Looks like we're in another trade. Okay, so we're going to unpack this right here. We're going to go look at signal A on the 1-day pass and see if I had that same trade on my live account here. So signal A. Signal A right here, live account, we entered at 20191, break even. And over here on the 1-day pass, we entered at 189.5 and 189.75. So when you buy 10 contracts, they definitely, you know, you get them spread out. Sometimes you'll get them, you know, 8 different prices. And that's exactly what happens when we're all trying to buy over here Sim and Live. We're all in order. And the moneymaker, he gives you whatever he can give you, whatever's available. So in this case, we're 1 tick or 2 ticks different. ODP. ODP.
Order submitted.
That's my favorite strategy right there. That's the haymaker ODP. ODP. Let's see if we can get a little more action going on here. NQ starting to move nicely here for us.
Submitted. Order filled.
Oh, got another ODP. Here we go. CL. This one's moving nicely. CL is 1,300, 1,400. Here we go. Come on.
Order filled.
CL popping off. Come on. This one's a little slower than an NQ though. Way slower. Shoot.
Order filled.
Oh, what'd I just do? I never knew you could do that before. Okay, interesting. You can click on that and it moves the moves whatever you're outputting here. Looks like we're about 1,800 bucks. Got the trailer coming behind us, trying to get to the little blue one here. Blue one's 3,000. These are one-day pass trading templates. This one's on the CL market. We trade the CL on a 10 range chart here. Caught the opportunity here to go long. Jumped in. We're about 1,100 bucks. Coming back on us, so. CL's had some nice trades earlier.
Order filled. Order filled.
Coming back. CL's been pretty flat here.
Order
Got the bullish candle. Going long. Coming out hot. 2,000. 2,500. Oh boy, the bot smoked it. Come on, baby. Oh, man, what a trade. What a trade. Oh, what a beautiful trade. Come on. Squeeze it. 2,000. Red candle. Red candle. 2400. Red candle.
Order filled.
It's holding. 2200. Red candle. This one's been hot for us. CL, let's see. Let me go look at Discord. Pretty sure it was up on our list. Let me see. Here we go, 2500.
Order submitted.
$2,000. Looks like the YM was the hot one. Super hot last week, 82%. Profitable.
Order filled.
Oh, baby. CL crushed it. It was number 3 last week. 43. Awesome. Great trade. Woo. Couple ODPs popped off. Way to go, Root. Awesome trades. CLODP. Okay, we're in over here. Live account. Going short. Broke even. Signal A. Signal A entry. Signal A. This one would be on a 30 range
Order
chart.
filled.
30 range. So signal A on the sim account entered it at 181 even. Live account entered at 181.75. So in this case, I caught it 3 ticks sooner. In this particular trade, going south. Looking for one big breakout. Signal A. I've got the risk to reward as a 5-to-1 on this trade. Take 4 losses.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Break even a lot. $100 bill. Holding 170 on the NQ. Looking at a 30 range chart here today. Got the cross. Followed the crosses to profits with right line trading. Coming back on us. I know Marcia follows those crosses to profits. Thank you, Marcia. Here we go. $200 bill. Breaking even on the trade. If we happen to get down to a $500 bill, we'll move the stop one more time automatically. Coming back on me. Going out.
Order filled.
Got some buyers.
Order filled.
Up 360. Haymaker just jumped in the ring too. It's up 375. Leaderboard's getting a little bigger.
Order filled.
Couple ODPs popped off. They're only trading 1/2 an hour typically a day. Now some of them, just so everybody knows, again, they are getting the information from the drone. So For example, if you open up your ES, Charles brought it to our attention this morning. If you opened up your ES one-day pass, it's actually trading about 11 hours. And those are the most profitable times. If you look at the data from the ES drone, it is profitable from, I can't remember what it was, 1:30 in the morning or something till something in the afternoon. But it was about, I think it was about 11 hours. So that's the data. So it's sharing it, and it's it's doing what it's supposed to. So that's the good news. But it was interesting to see they're not just half-hour windows. That was what Charles was thinking. They could have been just, we're not, the drone is just looking at the profitable window. The smallest segment we use is a half an hour, but we're just looking at the window. So if we're profitable from a 5-hour window, that's the information we're going to share back with the one-day pass and the bot. Okay, this one's signal D. So I'm going to open up the signal D here, which is crushing it. That's why I'm trading this one. Yeah. Might lose it here. Down 100, down 20.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Took me out. So me and this particular strategy got off a little bit because I was still in that other trade from signal A. So this is how this works. This will get off a little bit because this one wasn't in a trade. Actually, I was on the wrong one. I'm in the 20U, not the AU. Okay, get my head straight here. All right. Now back to this one. Okay, so this last trade, we entered at the exact same price. Boy, that's hard to see. But we both entered at the exact same price, 175.0, 175.0. So there's the first one where we actually entered at the exact same prices. Directionally, it's the same. All right, here we go. I'm up 300. Ended up with a really good day Friday. I know I didn't trade that well. I did just before we started the broadcast, and then right after. Made a good day on Friday. I think I ended with 1,800. Ooh, Steven, nice shot. Steven tucked in a nice $2,000 nugget. Congratulations. A Michigan man. Good shot, Steven. Boom. Shakalaka. A little construction going on here. Condo down the way. I can hear the
order filled.
Jackhammer. What I'm looking for.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
right, good shot, Marcia. Got a nice little nugget. Awesome. On the NQ here, we had a couple of little Signal A trades. A couple of nice little ones there. Stuck in this consolidation zone again, though. Holding 180 on the NQ.
Order filled.
Nice move on the PA strategy here. Had the NQ30 range Signal A PA account. Had a nice trade. A couple of them, it looks like. The Haymaker drone. Kind of looking like it's the CLNQ morning.
Order submitted.
Going long, Signal D.
Order filled.
Bit of a weakness here. Down 100.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled.
Uh-oh. Little chop. Little choppy chop there. Back to even. See if we can't catch a breakout here somewhere.
Order submitted.
Signal D. Trying to go short this, or go long this time.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Can't catch a breakaway here. Come on.
Order submitted.
One big block orders.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Uh-oh, got the bearish candle. Yikes. Yikes. Down 100. Breaking even. Both entered at same price, 183.75. Down 100. Uh-oh.
Order filled.
Uh-oh.
Order submitted.
Catching a little bit of whiplash here. Getting slapped around on the NQ. Couple of head fakes and trick plays right there. One heck of a tug-of-war battle right here. Down 100.
Order filled.
Come on. Oh,
Order
Jesus.
Order filled.
Wow. Down 300. We have flatlined. Out of commission. Can't catch a move here. Got the 15 locked up tight.
Order filled.
Ready to see the NQ this flat. Wow. Right where the market opened.
Order submitted.
Holy moly. Right on market open. The signal D is relentless here on the 50. It's loving the 50, that's for sure. A change of colors.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Down 100.
Order filled.
Uh-oh. Breaking
Order
even.
filled. Order submitted.
Woo-wee! Not so fast. Down 100. Holy moly. Here we go. Got background bias finally.
Order submitted.
Not holding. A lot of orders at 170s. 170s protection. Ain't having it. A lot of orders right there at 175. Down 100.
Order filled. Order filled.
Ah,
Order filled.
man.
Order filled.
Someone stop
Order
me.
submitted.
Now she's gone. Head fake. Shrugging its shoulders here. Uh-oh, getting untradeable.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Push pause on the live accounts here. Untradeable market right now.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Sim account jumped in, going long. Signal D. I went to the sidelines for a minute.
Order filled.
Okay, so that was closed at P&L for the day for that one. I'm going to wake it back up. Typically, we'd let them go to sleep, but I want to keep trade my live account next to it.
Order submitted.
So it's back up and rolling. Had a $500 profit or loss limit for the day. It hit the $500 loss limit. Now it made the profit limit earlier of $1,500. So it made $1,500, lost $500. It's at $1,000 basically, $950 here.
Order filled.
Okay, the price starting to move up a little bit now. We can go ahead and probably get back going. Get one more good trade in here. Come back to even. Would be nice. NQ and CLODP hit their profit targets for the day. Got the evals passed, made the $3,000. Big move up on the NQ.
Order filled.
Oh, cool, you're trying out the Blue Knox. So far, so good, Marcia? All the entry and website user-friendly?
Order filled.
Oh yeah, Buell Knox, not Blue Knox. Buell. Got a good trade on the 2-minute retirement plan bot right here.
Order submitted.
Okay, we jumped in. We're going to go long here. Signal D, one more shot at it. Got a good
Order
trade on the
filled.
bot going on too. It's up 300,
Order filled.
200. All right, we're breaking even on the trade. Took it into a little bit of a pivot here. We don't have the filters in on signal D yet, so it's a wide open signal right now.
Order submitted.
One more pump. Here we go. Gets to 150. The stop will move up.
Order filled.
Moved up. Doubled up. Scalped them. We're scalping them.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Take a little more on it. Coming back on us here. Scalping the 125 off the table if we get it.
Order filled.
All right. Grabbed a little bit off the table.
Order filled.
That trade we both entered at the exact same price. 225.
Order filled. Order filled.
Wow, Robert. I am running it, but it went out early this morning. I started it 1 hour earlier like an idiot, it sounds like. Oh man, I can't make money with that thing for some reason. I'm getting my way. I get my own way on that one. I did load it, and let me take a look at where it's at. Oh man, it's up 2,600. Wow. Yeah, mine's down 339 now. What am I doing different, I wonder? I did a couple of things. I changed this, I'll change it back. 930. And I think I might have changed this, Robert. I'll go look. I'll make sure I load the exact one that you have. I might have lowered this some, I'm not sure. But those are the two things that I think I did. I think that's all the same. Yeah, I'll take a look. Wow, thanks for sharing that again. Oh, shoot. Let's write myself a note. Boy, I tell you, changing anything in a parameter, in a setting, it just makes such a difference. It's such a, it doesn't seem like it would, but boy, I'll tell you, it's a dramatic change. NQ's coming back down to 20,180 again. Gonna hang out here again for a while, maybe. Yeah, check out that code again, Marcia, and if if anybody else has Buell Knox, and you could just give it a test drive for Rue and just see if that code's working. MRC90. 11-11. Good luck, everybody. Woo! Come on. Let's go. Let's get lucky. Got a good strategy built here. Oh, I wanted to take a minute and thank all of the members who joined us over the weekend. Just had a great entrance over the weekend. I think 4 or 5 people jumped in the ring, so really appreciate you guys joining the A Auto Trader Revolution and Right Line Trading. So thank you. Really looking forward to continuing to build the RLT community here, and thanks for everybody for joining today. All right, Buell Knox right here is another one. Oh wow, they're doing 90% off. That sounds like a good deal. It's almost free. NQ coming back to this 180 point again, where it opened the day here.
Order submitted.
Hit a couple of one-day passes early this morning. The NQ jumped in the ring, I think, around... let's go take a look at that trade. NQ one-day pass. It jumped in the ring, I think, about 10:30, and it caught its first entry here. It took the long entry
Order submitted.
at about 10:34. Grabbed 10 contracts and ran it up for its profit target, $3,000 bill. 62 ticks on the NQ. Pushed back through the 200. I thought the 8U here was going to challenge the Steven record for a minute, but ended up cooling off. Caught some whiplash there. I joined it on my live account, that whiplash. We were up, I think we were up about a $300, $400 bill. Oh, Steven strategy still alive and well. Steven Aldridge out there, thank you. Got that Steven strategy just whiplashing all over the place. Had $5,200 on August 2nd. Trading one contract. It's at 579 today. It hasn't taken many trades. I'm gonna have to take a look. I guess it's hasn't had the right setup. Got a few versions of it. This one is is the one that's a little more conservative. Won't take as many trades as the loose one. The one we have is loose. It's like a good old slot machine, loose. All right, 1750. That's a bargain. Is it a $2,500 drawdown, Marcia? Trailing drawdown for a 50K account?
Order submitted.
Okay, thank you. Yep, with a minimum trading day of 5 days. Great. I know our professional prop trader David Kushner trades Beal Knox. 6 funded accounts, had them for a long time. Wow. I don't keep mine that long. I get paid on them and try to get them back up there. If not, I lose them. Use them and lose them. Love them and leave them.
Order filled. Order filled.
Looking for a short roll here, coming off 20,200. I can always look right here and see if there's any trades on right now of any of the winners, and there's no trades in play right now. Let's scroll down here. Mac Truck Bob.
Order submitted.
Going long, Signal D here jumped in for us. Same strategy on the right in Sim and left live account. Ninja Trader brokerage account. Breaking even on the trade. Coming back on us, so red candle. Again, this is a brand new signal. We don't actually have the filters engaged on it. Don't have them set up yet. Or else we'd probably want to clear these pivot zones here in the future. Not allowed to trade into them. It was hot this morning though. It was up about 2,000, 1,500 for sure.
filled.
Breaking even on the
Order
trade. Got a $100 bill. 150, 170 here. Pushing through the pivot. All right. Claimed a $100 bill. Trying to hold on to it here. We made money on the trade. Stop loss came into a $100 bill.
Order filled.
Took our 100 and ran. Little scalp trades there.
Order filled.
Oh, that's right. How's the trick going, Marcia? Everything good there? That last trade, both live account and SIM entered at the exact same price. $206.5, $206.5. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, not there yet. That's what I didn't think.
Order
On your way
submitted.
soon. Okay, here we go. Going long. Got the bearish hammer candle. I mean the bullish hammer. bullish. The bullish hammer
Order
candle.
filled.
Down 100.
Order filled.
Ooh. There's a bearish engulfing candle on us. That's the no-go candle. Running out of gas here on the NQ. Down 125. We're out at 150 here. Woohoo! Jeez. Oh, baby, that was close. All right, I'll go for 6 more minutes here. Hopefully get one good one here. We're hoping to push off somewhere. Get a little launch pad.
Order submitted.
Relentless. We're going long again. This is signal D.
Order filled.
It was doing the best this morning, so I put it on my live account.
Order filled.
All right, we had a great day. I down 600. I'm gonna call it a day. Appreciate everybody joining the broadcast today. Hope everybody has an awesome day and gets lucky this afternoon. We're gonna see if we can get that velocity filter on this one, signal D. So that will keep me out of some trades. That'll be helpful. Everybody have a great day and good luck trading. Bye now.